if you love Mercedes, AMGs, saloon cars, this is the perfect video for you. Well, yeah, we have a metallic white. I really like this white. It's very bright. I'm sorry, but we're trying to go more outside this time. There's not a lot inside really, but it's okay. They're just cleaning out the inventory. It's okay. But we got the Mercedes badge right here. We got the Mercedes badge right there too. We got aluminum frame, or aluminum like all around the radiator. The lights. OEM 20 Mercedes AMG wheels with drilled brake rotors. Here's the Mercedes Benz brake calipers, the Mercedes logo with the badge. I really like the wheels. I forgot to tell you it's a white diamond paint, metallic paint. And we got the white side marker. You're not side marker, god dang it. Glitter. I couldn't come to mind. We got the light when you turn. It's on here on the side. Here's the side mirrors. We got aluminum frame, around the frame. And then also around the windows. There's the side mirrors. And then the gas. Wheels. Got the AMG all around the rim. And then here's the back. Y'all should stay tuned to the end of the video so I can show you guys the engine. It's pretty cool, I'll be honest, it's really cool. So y'all better stay tuned. Y'all better subscribe because I want to hit 10K subs, please. And please smash the like button. Got a factory quad tip exhaust with FAUX twin tips. I like these exhausts. I really like these exhausts. And then you got the S550 on the back with the Mercedes badge and the aluminum frame, aluminum like piece around. And then you got the rear lights. I like this. I like this a lot. We will be sitting in the back to review the comfortness. Now we're going inside. Oh, it's hot. Okay, so we got the wooden steering wheel. So we got the Mercedes Benz on the back, a badge on the steering wheel with the wooden. I really like this steering wheel. I think it's really clean. We got the Burmester sound system, memory settings. So this controls that for your seating, back, headrest. You got white stitching all throughout the car. We got black and cream color. We got wood all throughout the car, which is nice. Parking assist, lane assist, driving, 360 camera. You got your lights down here. Gotta make sure the camera doesn't overheat. You got emergency park right there. This controls your mirrors, your side mirrors. Goes down the windows right there. And then you got white stitching all around the
much later.
Back right here. Can speak. And more white stitching. And then more white stitching. And more wood. We got like aluminum pieces all throughout the car. I really like the steering wheel. It's really clean. You got your home, voice activation, back, or return, and you're okay. So it will pop up here. So it has digital gauge clusters, but it's like a heads-up display too. So it's like more like electronic. And then like your lights right there to do the to adjust the brightness. You got your modes. For some reason, your selectable modes. Well, that's down here, but it's like your drive, neutral park, and then voice activation. I think I said this. I don't remember, but decline, volume, answering, voice activation. You got your accelerator and brake. I am sweat. That's for your back. And then selectable driver modes. It also has height adjustment for the suspension. Electronic rear window sunshade, which I think is pretty cool. And then lane keep assist, cruise control. That's what this probably is. I'm so stupid. There's something in here. It is. I know that. Bro, this heat is messing with my brain right now. It is so hot in these stupid cars. But I love my job, so. And then we got wood, like some more wood trim pieces all throughout. We got the Wahasan clock, which I really like. I really like these clocks. And then the AC right here. And then auto, cooler, hotter. You got your fan, so you would do that up to decrease it, increase it, recirculates, max AC, menu, rear, AC reset, and then same thing to your passenger. And then right here, boom, that's for your charge. If you guys didn't know that, but I think it's pretty cool. And then if you press this, that's for your CD player. I now saw that. And then boom, cup holders. So, and then right here you have your selectable driver modes. You got your navigation radio. This is heated ventilated seats. And then your return SE, so like econ mode, sport, and then sport and comfort, and then raises the suspension. And then your volume, automatic, I guess. And then I guess on, I don't know what on is. It is a push to start, by the way. And then you got your missile guidance launch system. So this does shoot missiles right out of the exhaust, little tiny missiles. So if you have that angry Karen, just use this, okay? And then here's the glove compartment. It opens like a coffin. Wow. You got your miniature coffin here, and I am sweating abusively right now. White trim, white, what's it called, not trim, white, then your Burmester sound system. I really like the AC and how it looks. And then you got your back mirror, you got your, rear blinder. I can't speak because of the friggin' heat. It's hitting me so hard.
What did he say?
You got your lights, your off, mechanic, SOS information, and then for the back, and then onto the back seats. Well, before that, my favorite thing about this car is probably the steering wheel. I really like this. I love the wood trim pieces all throughout the car. I really like this. I like this classy, clean steering wheel. The comfort settings is really comfortable. I think it's really, really comfortable. And the heat, this sucks when the car is not on. I sadly can't turn on these cars, but that's okay. But yeah. All right, now to the back seats. Now we're in the back. My GoPro overheated. We got the Mercedes Benz on the, like, as you walk in. Sadly, I cannot turn this car on. But you have really good leg room. Leg room's insane. You got wooden trim pieces around the back. You got your lock. White stitching all around. You got your Burmester sound system. Jeez. Windows. What the heck? Oh! It's for these. The vents. It's automatic. I forgot. Unlock. You got your cup holder. AC. You got like a little compartment for your controller. Oh. Heck? Huh?
Huh?
Oh! It's okay. 115 volts. It's crazy. It's just one of those plugins. I was so confused. I was just like, what? You got, yeah, same thing basically over there. Here's what the back looks like. It's really comfortable actually. And then you got your, pull the strap, boom. There's like a little thing. So if you, boom, little compartment right there. It was a bit of a struggle, but we did it. And then cup holder number 1, cup holder number 2. So and then press like that. Boom. Headrests. Kind of like these polka dot stitching. They're also like they're ventilated, so which is nice. And then sunroof here, and then sunroof over there, and then oh my god, I have a mirror. And then you got your reading light here, and then another light. So you got your holder in case you're going 100 down the highway. And then it's really comfortable. I give it like an 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. And then you got a little compartment right here to put whatever you want, like a throw-up bag. I don't know who throws them in cars. Whatever, really. Now to the engine and to the back. Boom. It is automatic, by the way. So, I mean, it's okay when it comes to storage. You cannot put your golf clubs unless you fold your back seats. Really nothing too much. Let me clean my camera. It's very dirty. There we go. But, I don't mind it. It doesn't look too bad. You put like your backpack, your luggage. I don't know. In the comments below, what is your thoughts on the storage space? and then you press this. Boom. Now onto the engine. So here's the crazy, insane engine. Boom. I'm joking, it's just a regular V8. We've got the Mercedes Benz badge on there, got the V8. You got your coolant, you got your oil. Really nothing too much, it's stock, nothing really cool. I just did that just to make you guys stay tuned on the video. Which y'all should subscribe, please. But it's pretty cool. I rate it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My name is Alex, for you guys that don't know. I know I said it in the beginning, but I just like to say it just in case. Go check out RPM Garage. I want to say thank you guys. Thank you for them letting me review their cars. Go check them out, please. Link in the description below. I would need y'all to check them out, please. They're in Dallas, Texas. If you're not wanting to buy a car, just check them out. Go to the dealership. Go to their website. They sell some pretty insane cars. They got classics. They got JDM. They got Mustang. They got muscle cars. They got whatever you want, except supercars. Supercars is a rare. But if you're wanting to buy a car, say Alex sent you from the career reviews, it'll pop up on your screen. And then please go follow me on my Instagram. I'm trying to hit 500 followers. And then please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10K by the end of the month. Just, please. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell. Have a good day.